What's going on, gang? Welcome in, welcome in. I'm gonna have a sell limit here. Hourly, 82 flat probably. Adjust accordingly here. Two lot, 120 pip stop. Just 82. Apologies. Wait, they might adjust that a little bit. 9. No, 82.2 is good. Sorry, the music's loud. Let me turn that down. Well, it's at least it's loud in my ear. How's everyone doing? What's up, Eddie? Happy to see you here. How's everything? Great talk. I said, how's everything?
Everything's good, bro. How are you?
Good, good. Yeah. You looking wiser. Time alone, time well, yeah, time alone.
Yeah.
Helps. It's the best way to grow.
It definitely cleared my mind, and I got rid of some habits that I thought I would never, like doom scrolling. When I deleted all my Instagram and everything, like now I don't even go on the app. I just go on, scroll for a little bit, and I'm like, I don't even want to be on this shit. Yeah, but it was bad, bro. I was like addicted to my phone. I had like 24 hours of screen time, and I'm like, I'm sleeping 8 hours a day. How do I have 24 hours of screen time?
Bougie's asking you if you still lift.
Let me get on the YouTube. Hell yeah, I still lift. I just hit one of my best lifts yesterday at the gym.
You lifting? Yo, let's drop some levels here. First of all, that 1 hour. Yeah. I like getting the sell limit a little bit below. Be nice if we got there. I don't know if we will. Maybe a bit later on. Maybe now. Hold on. Let's look at the levels. Daily's closed with no bottom wick. Funky junky. A nice 15 level here that we've played off of a bit earlier. Nice support here. I guess if we end up closing back in range here, we can look for a fake out, right? So we get something like this, we can probably look to come down here. Other than that, I would really like the sells from up here. I don't know if I want to take the buys up there. We might, depending on how this forms here. But I would like to be on the selling end. The 4 hour, even though it closed with no bottom wick, it closed heavily bearish. The daily also closed bearish, and the daily's got a bottom wick. Technically hitting the resistance here. The daily closures, previous daily closure. Some kind of bearish move or bearish retest of the lows, I think, is warranted. It would be nice. You got the triple XL on. Maybe this 5 can bring us up here for our sell limits. The next 5. Options fucking took a buy right here today. Fuck there. Off market open. You're a fucking beast. Spoke about this shit on stream, huh? It was too late. The stream was too late in the day for the volume to get there. You double dipped. You dipped. You put it in your pocket and then you dipped again. Oh, you savage. Oh, you dirty dog. Oh, look what you did. Oh, you're telling me. You took your sweet ass time, 5 minutes, and said, oops, I did it again. And you did it again. This is crazy. I love it. You got pay attention. Sometimes things are just that simple. Oh yeah, my message. Yeah, I just want, like, if I'm not streaming, and I like, if whenever I can, I'll stream on YouTube, right? But like, if I'm not streaming, I want you guys running an Asian session, like, on, because for some reason, like, if Turpy doesn't do it, nobody does it, and everyone's gonna just, you guys should all be in there because you guys are all trading anyway. You know, just pull up the Asian session. Let's keep it running within the community, and like, your results don't matter. Like, you know what I mean? Everybody, like, the value is gonna matter. That, like, maybe the fact that, you know, you guys are bouncing ideas off each other will help drive the growth. But I want to do that. Like, even if I'm not able to run it, there should be like a bunch of people that we could be like, yo, you run it today. I'm just talking about Asian session for now, but like, yeah, eventually London too. It could be like you guys could do this in combination. Do it as a team. We're playing, you know, I'm sleeping there. Bro, you live in Vegas. Nobody sleeps in Vegas. Strip club. You know what? Bougie's the type of person to order a steak at the strip club. Fruit salad. Let me get a fruit salad. You got a fruit salad bowl? Fucking with you, bro. Guy eats everywhere. I'm gonna have to pass only on the days off. Let's see what the wings are all about, Atlanta. You're from New York City? I grew up in New York City. New York City. I grew up in Brooklyn, Coney Island. But no, I live right near the beach. Too many NBA players ordering wings in ATL strip clubs? How is this even a thing? How do you know this? Yeah, I'm still here, unfortunately. Where in Brooklyn are you? Base Cadet, what's the deal? What's TM for? Tickle me? You in another borough? What's the borough? Drop the addy. We coming through. The Will's famous for wings at the strip club? All right. Yeah, all's good. All is well. TM. Oh, your initials? Too much. That's shitty. All right. Rich millionaire. Bombocla. You rich. Like living in the projects in the city is you richer than motherfuckers with a penthouse in Queens. You went to school in Kingsborough? No, you didn't. I went to Kingsborough. There was a year and a half that I went to Kingsborough. You lying. I don't Sheepshead Bay. What year? 25 years ago. 20 years. Yeah, 25 years ago. No. 20. 22, 21 years ago, yeah. I really appreciate what you have done for your audience for more than 3 years. Big up, really helping people out. Yeah. Appreciate you for being here. Push off. This. Yo, this song is really cool. I like it. Little banger. Funky. They got houses that look like libraries around there. New York is crazy. It's just too much traffic, too many people. Not enough space per person. I can't have more than 4 motherfuckers in my peripheral. Otherwise, like, yo, who wants to? If the too many things in the peripheral, the computer can't process, and New York is becoming fatigued. Yeah, it's a crutch. Let me some pips. I'm gonna give out some stimulus checks tonight. You're giving out some Wix 9 stimmies. Stimulate me. Oh. it's kind of overwhelming. I'm telling you, like sometimes the ride from JFK or LaGuardia, right, or even Newark, wherever you land in the tri-state area, that's like a major airport. Like typically, the ride in the cab to the place where you're staying takes longer than the actual flight. I don't care where you're coming from. Majority of the time, the damn ride from the airport to the hotel to the Airbnb anywhere in the city take fucking longer than the flight into New York. All right. Good luck to anyone that's joining me on this trade. Let's see where we're going to secure partials. Probably going to be back at this wick, right? So let's go 77 flat here. 82.2 to 77, roughly 50 pips, 52 pips. Can we get up there? Can we do it? Yeah, man. Probably go 78. We'll see. Come on, Lee. Come on. Yeah, stop, sir. I'm looking at this wick here. I hope it doesn't tap that wick. Oh, coming back down. Maybe it doesn't even get up there. Maybe we fake out. Maybe, right? This 15 and close back in range. And then fake out, schmake out. We'll see. Since we have broken above previous daily top body, do you reckon we will fill the daily wick since it closed a leg candle? Reckon. But where you from, bro? You reckon? I'm reckon. Are you reckon? No, we're still bearish. We're still bearish till this candle closes bullish. We can confidently look for sells till this candle closes bullish on the daily. There's opportunity to sell, like if it's the right opportunity. Right? There's also opportunity to buy. This range to range, right? We're not going to base the trade off the daily, going by smaller time frame levels, but we understand the daily is bearish. And the previous 4 hour did close bearish. Right. So while there's a chance it rips up here, it's likelier that we're going to see a reaction off this level before it does so. And gold being as technical as it is, right? Look at the wick from this area down to here, that range. See this wick? Like it's very likely, it's highly probable that it'll come back and down into range here to grab some orders before the eventual push up. We want just to be able to snipe this, right? To go. But with the limit, the whole point of the limits is to not see drawdown, to be able to snipe quick 30, 40, 50 pip move. Sometimes you get a really good entry where it's like, all right, it's either, you can't lose there. Like runners are going to go, and if you want to leave 10%, 15%, like I've been doing it, go for 100, 50, 200. Plenty of times I leave, 10, 15, 20%. I think we still get here. I'm pretty confident we still get here at some point. Might be later on. Sometimes you get 100 pip wick in a sec or less. Yeah. Oh, because like if that's the only thing you're taking options, like you really know, right? That's what you've been doing, and like you really know how they happen. You understand. I saw one of your shorts of the ICT trader be like, and he was talking about some weird ICT stuff. Who was that? That's my friend. Like, no, that, like, the guys, look, whoever edited that, they edited that out of context, because that's not how the conversation went. But like, I asked him to take it down. It wasn't cool. I asked him to hop on and just talk about what he sees, right? And they kind of edited it to make him look foolish, and it's not really what it is. That's not the case. He's got a lot of very valuable info, but it's one of my friends. But like, whoever edited that probably is like, I don't know. I'm pretty, like, I know it's just, I don't think they were maybe not there for that stream or didn't understand like what was going on. Editor, I just bad idea, because they might have not understood the dynamic of what was going on, right? That's like a friend that I invited onto the stream to discuss that specific. Hey, beautiful. What's up? How can I help you?
A sour to
And you have a sour to make. Definitely cream. What's sour? Nice. The editor gets a pass. I don't think he understands the dynamic, but I like him. I think he meant well. But do you see how easy it is to like put things together and take them out of context? Be careful what you say on it. I hope he's here. If you're here, let us know, bro. Sometimes he lurks in the background. But the dude's like a walking encyclopedia when it comes to like trading and like every different kind of concept. Yesterday, Asian, there was a 400 pip, 1 minute candle on market open. Crazy. What do we do today? It open. Just 200. Just, lousy. Weak ass candle. Weak ass candle. Oh no, wait. 318. Weak ass candle. Pussy. You pussy. 318 only. Look at the last 3 daily candles. 1400 pips. This is stupid numbers. 1,400 pips. Yo. 1,300 pips. 1,200 pips. Yo, if we don't do 1,100 pips today, I'm gonna be tight. This candle better keep it in line. Keep it going. I need 1,100 pips out of you. Come on, we either fake out, close back in range, or we get these elements from here. Damn, the 30 closed above the range. The hourly's still open. I don't fucking trust it. The hourly doesn't have a bottom wick. Maybe if we come down here, create the bottom wick for the hourly. But I'm not gonna look for the buys up. This is like Kenny's in these positions. Kenny's looking for the buys up to my sell limits. 100%. When I go to school sometimes, why you go to school sometimes? I check my MT. Oh, sometimes you check your MT5 at school, and there's always this one person asking me, how much have I made? And telling me, oh, did I hear about this? You got to be honest. You got to be like, how much, not how much you made today, but how much you've made since the first day you've ever gotten introduced to trading. And like, sometimes it might be like, I made minus something. Let's go, Jays. Did they win? What's the score? I seen him. Wait, how did that game end? Wait, there was like, I fell asleep in like the 42nd inning. I was like, no. I got to stream in like 20 minutes. This shit's still going on. What inning did this shit end in? They ran out of pitchers. Yeah, they had to ask people from the fucking, the mascot had to pitch. 18th inning, Dodgers won. Yeah, sucks. 2-1 Jays right now. What inning? Bro, they were asking people from the street, can you got a hand? How's your fastball? Look at this. We might tap right here, right off this level right now and rip up. Bong, this is the support here. Or we close back in range. I'm not looking for buys up here. Sometimes I would, not in this situation. I just don't like. I wanted to print the resistance here, and we kind of never did. Well, we did on the 15th, so this would have been the buy over here. Right, break of that high. Yeah, this is solid. Who's looking at these buys? I think is gonna buy. I don't want to come back in range here. I'm very bearish based on the previous 4 hour and the daily. I'm skeptical that we might come down here before coming up, right? So there's a big chance. Like, I understand it looks like it's loading up, and maybe it does come up here now, which is cool. But I don't want to take the chance of this closing back in range, retesting the lows before coming up. Like, you're not wrong. At some point it will. Like, does it need to do what it's done here on the higher time frame? You know what I mean? Nah, man. And we've seen situations where this doesn't need a top wick. I believe it'll make one. The likelihood is it comes up here and makes one. This won't be the edge. I will act. Trading London session makes sense. It makes sense from the standpoint of like good session to trade? Does it make sense in terms of like, for me? No, because that's when I sleep. That's nighttime for me. Hold on. I gotta get rid of this just in case it comes down. I'm keeping the sell limit. Give me a second. Go use the voice room.
Hey, Wix, I think your camera froze.
Wow. Hold on. This whole time I've been cracking jokes and you
We didn't hear anything. Nothing. I just saw you start drawing and I figured you were talking.
Yo, I thought it was really a tough crowd. Oh my God. That was like comedy gold.
We thought we were gone for a while. We just saw the chair and then we saw the
Wait,
thing.
do you guys don't see me and hear my mouth moving? Do you not see me?
You were never even at the chair. The chair was just you were no longer at the chair. We only saw the chair and that was it.
Right now, you see me?
You left. We see you now, but before you weren't there. The chair was
Yeah, that
only
part I
there
know,
when you
but
were
like
not
since
there,
you've
so we
seen
thought
me,
you left.
my mouth been moving the whole time and I'm talking. Nobody said nothing?
No,
You
we
guys
never
the
even
type
saw
of
you.
friends that would let me walk around with a booger in my nose at a
Bro,
party.
stop it. You're trolling us, right?
Nobody would say a word.
Bro,
I walk away and be
even
like,
Eddie
yo, y'all
said-
see that shit in his nose?
even Eddie said your screen is frozen. People are saying, nah, you're trolling, bro. You're trolling. You were never even there. Stop it. Nice. You got me. You got me.
Yo, coming back down here. All right, let's delete this for now while it's coming down. Is that the 15? The 15 closed, right? No, it did not. It's well, let's see. We might find support here and come back up. Hey, Terpy. Oh, not Terpy. I'm sorry. Options. What are we doing here? Hold on. We might have a buy limit. But this is so steep. Yeah, we're not gonna do a buy limit there. We might. Can we? What if we utilize this wick here? How much is that? 72. Ooh, no bottom wick on the 15. Chat. Let's put a buy limit here. Probably that 72 pip stop. No wick here. Oh, it's gonna form a top. Not form. Probably use this as a stop. The 30, the hourly, the 4-hour reflip. Oh, hold on, my terminal's not even on. Aww. Just about to add you. Is that it? Huh. Never got there. Think it comes down here? Or retest the highs? See? Wix, how are you sizing your position? These 100 pip? Yeah, compared to normal. I'm using a 2-lot right here. All right, if anything, I'll lose like, 75 pips, 2-lot, 1500. It left without us? I don't know if it left yet. I think it might come down here. The problem is it's the 4-hour flip after we've grabbed this top wick. Right on the 15. Look at this 15. If this flips here, I think I'm still gonna hold this. We'll see. The 5 look like here. Might come down, tap the 5 levels, but that's a really steep stop, right? I'll take the 70 pip stop here, if anything. I like this level that we bounced from earlier. Just got in. What's the % chance that a 30-minute candle right now pushes 10,000 pips all the way to 5,000? Slim to none. Stuff always happens as soon as I arrive. Oh, didn't quite get down there. We got down to here. I mean, I guess this was the level, right? Yeah. It's the 15. Roughly the same stop. I'm minutes here for this closure. Maybe we could get the hourly to open up bottom wick first. That would be cool. The good thing about this level, right? It's a 1 hour, 4 hour also, 1 hour daily, 4 hour, 1 hour. It's 30 level. It's a 15 level here. Even the 5 respected it here. Are you part Jamaican? No, I'm part Jamaican. Got smacked in gold today for 900. You traded today. Good thing about it is you can come back tomorrow. And the day after that. And the day after that. You got this. Don't get discouraged. Get motivated. See you in New York later. Got your 75 pips this session? Yeah, W. Good job. Well done. Well done. You overpipped, sir. You overpipped the dip. Six minutes for the 1 hour closure. Let's see what happens here. That's an old one. Let him answer it. Bro, I'm 40 years old. My kids would tell you that's an old one. All of them. So I'm gonna do better. I was gonna ignore it because I didn't think you were serious, man. Give me a chance to troll. So that's what you gonna do, huh? That's what we gonna do. Right. I'm gonna give you a few minutes to get your shit together, and oh wait, not and Hayne. Give you a few minutes. And then we start getting close to any of our levels. Yeah, me. So. See another reaction here. Man, I would like to come up. Wait, so how do they even know if it happened? If there's no survivors? I'm just gonna assume it's a smuggling plane. I don't know. Payne, who hurt you? Really depressing riddle. I was bored, but I'm messing with you, bro. I know. Wrong, bro. Try again. No, there was really 2 survivors. There's more survivors. Everyone that wasn't on the plane survived. Right? There's a lot of survivors. A lot of survivors. They don't bury survivors? What was the question? I don't know. I'm joining the conversation here right now. I'm just trolling. There are 2 survivors for sure. I love it. Survive. I don't like people that don't survive. Like, why wouldn't you survive? What's your problem? Don't you want to live? 8 seconds here, and the hourly is going to close. All right, we're going to see some volume. Or not. There's no sense of direction here. Look at this hourly candle. What are you doing? Yeah, tap right here, flip. How much is the flip? 70 pips, that's wild. $30 faked out, hourly held, I guess you can say that resistance, right? Just don't trust this initial flip here. And the 4-hour close bullish on spot. I don't know. I don't like this area. Maybe if flips, comes back up, and then reflips, we can take that. How many pips you normally try to catch? I'm gonna give you our perspective on it, and it's always been it's whatever the market gives, whatever the ranges provide. I don't have a target. But I will have a sell limit here. Do too. When I get there, in this direction here. Not the one I want to see. It's always good to target your advantage point. You're taking positions to my levels. It might create a top wick for that previous 30, right? And come down here. There's no bottom wick here. It can all happen. Or just get a push up here. That's nice. 60 miles in 60 minutes, like 80 miles per hour. Depends. Depends how many wheels your tricycle has, because you got to think about it, horsepower, right, per amount of rubber on wheel. So you need to know the size of the rims, because otherwise the goldfish wouldn't survive. It's just a fact of science fiction. Straight up and down. What wick are you using for stop loss? This wick right here. That's a huge wick. That dude definitely searches Google and Google. That's also a fact of science fiction. All right. Time number 2. Good luck to anyone that's gonna join us on this sell limit. This limit buy right here is for a TP or for partial. Current 1 hour doesn't have a wick. Bottom wick. I had a pee so bad again. 500 pip partials? No, it's going to be like a 30 or 40 pip partial. I think around 40. We might not get there. Might spend the whole fucking session here just waiting for our limits while it bounces up and down. People at the Zoom door, come on in. Oh, they're coming up. GL, gang, GL. Volumizing, I see volume. It should fake out if it wants to come down. I mean, it's the 4 hour close bullish on spot, but we just don't have a new bottom wick on this 4 hour, right? And for our purposes, the hourly close bearish at resistance. And the hourly doesn't have a bottom wick. I think we get here. I think we get here. Did it earlier. I think we get here. Remember, I don't know if we come down first, get up there, but I think we get there. The key will really be how we get there, right? Hold on, chat. No, we're waiting for a sell limit. Can you guys, yo, Eddie, can you guys let me know a shout out into that fund? Like if this shit starts coming up, I gotta step away for a second.
I got you. So what's up, guys? How's your guys' night going? You guys catch anything tonight? Hey, bro, we're getting close to this 15-minute flip towards your buy limit. We're like halfway there. Hey, yo, this 15 just flipped, bro. That shit looks like it's oh, good shit.
Thank you. I had to turn on my YouTube. My headphones were too far. Reaction was close to our level. Yeah, I mean, sometimes that happens. Like once it broke the highs here, I thought like we're gonna get a reaction from our level, from the hourly.
That was happening to me so much that it would go right 1 or 2 pips from my level. I started.
It
Yeah,
does it
started
so
to-
often through the session. Oh, sorry. Go ahead. Go ahead.
And I've just been trying to take entries towards that level, knowing that shit, my sell limit might not activate, but I might be able to get some entries on my way there.
Yeah, I mean, it's fine. It doesn't activate sometimes, but like it just like I said, it happens so often throughout the session that even when like it doesn't activate, you'll have 3, 4 more opportunities, and you'll get one that activates. You get 2 or 3 sometimes in a session that just go right to your levels. It's kind of scary now that we're coming back here, but I'll attempt it again here. Maybe 70, 80 pip stop. It's like this range. 4 hour looking like it wants to flip, right? In the last 45 minutes here. I don't know. I don't know what it'll do. Coming down fast. We're 160 pips away having to stuck in to worry about positions.
Top One sent out an email saying on the time change they're gonna shift some market opens. Are we gonna shift gold too?
I'm not sure. I haven't read anything. Haven't looked at anything. Yeah. Might happen so fast here. 15 is gonna close. Bullish, bearish? What are we gonna do? 15 seconds. There's kind of a support here. It's bullish, new 15, bottom wick. Right down. Re-break out of lows. Go to 30. I don't know. No top wick on this 15. I gotta go to the bathroom real quick. I'll be right back.
Yo, Eddie, it's good to hear you back, man.
I appreciate you, bro. How's it going?
You know, we driving home, bruh, from the JOB funding.
Nice.
How's work been, bro? Been getting better?
Yeah, bro. It's been getting crazy. We're getting busy, super busy.
Like, is it just uptick in like business, or is it just like somebody like in your team, you need more people now?
So we got somebody new where I thought I was gonna have more time, but this guy's just been so good selling so much that now we have even more work. So I'm like, damn, I don't have time for shit now.
Was he meant to be a salesman, or was he supposed to be like a worker, or is it both?
Both, but he's been doing really good. Much
Hell
better
yeah.
than expected.
Almost got to hire another dude just for his jobs.
Yeah, so we're waiting to see what it's like if he can continue this for like 6 months. And if he can, then yeah, we'll hire somebody else. We're making sure it's just not like a little spurt. Making sure he's really good.
Yeah, like new fire hire type shit.
Yeah, sometimes people get really good at first and then they kind of like slow down.
Got to make a good impression, man.
Yeah, but I'm like, look, bro, the more you sell, the more you make. So
Do you cap them on anything in regards to sales, or is it kind of like if you get sales, fuck it, it's your money type shit?
yeah, it's yours, unlimited.
Hell yeah, dude. About to be moving to Florida right now.
Florida's nice, bro. I love it here.
I can't for a while, but my next crib's gonna be somewhere warm.
Like towards these months, it starts to feel better. Like right now it's 76 outside. The low is like 73. We get a little bit
Okay,
of clouds during the day, it's not so bad. So like right now it's nice out.
But being from Chicago, we can wear shorts in the 40s, even if we got a long sleeve shirt on or something. When are you guys throwing on jackets and shit?
Anything under 72, and I have a sweater on.
Totally different worlds.
Mm-hmm.
When, like,
I have
Do you
job
even go in the ocean at all anymore?
during the day, yeah. It's still
All right,
85 during the day.
Fat.
Yeah, when it's sunny outside at 85, it feels like 100 degrees still.
In the water?
No, sometimes the water feels a little cold.
Oh, okay.
But outside, yeah, the humidity just makes it feel like an extra 10 degrees. But when it's cool and there's not much humidity,
hmm
like right now I'm gonna go walk my dog in a little bit and I have on joggers, long sleeve sock or like long sleeve socks, long socks, and a big shirt.
He said long sleeve socks. I'm about to use that. Babe, I'm putting my long sleeve socks out real quick. Take it easy.
If anything
Yeah,
under 72, 70, 69, and I'm like, I get chilly. I need to wear
yes. It's like Cali weather then. Like California people be like that too.
Over there, I think there's less humidity, so it feels a little.
Oh, 100% less. Yeah.
Yeah. The humidity just
Like-
makes it feel disgusting.
Dude, I just recently started going to San Diego like once a year since probably like, I don't know, like 14 years ago, 15 years ago. Me and my wife started dating. And I, coming from Chicago, used to
My wife
humidity
and I.
and like, yes, correct. And when I went to California and got off the plane, I was like, this is insane. There is zero humidity. I'm not sweating just because I'm getting off the plane. It was, I love San Diego. The humidity is so perfect there.
Yeah, but yesterday I took a shower. I got home early. I took a shower. I walked my dog, and I had to start walking in the shade because I was already sweating like 15 minutes after I got out the shower.
Third world problems. He took like 18
Third world
showers.
problems.
Took like 18 showers in a day.
Hey, when I was in Cuba showering with a bucket, I still took 2 showers. Two
Hey.
buckets. I took 2 buckets.
Where did you even get 2 buckets in Cuba?
Yeah.
Like a
I think you only get
shortage
one
of
per
buckets. They use them for rafts, no?
No, you get
How you get
a lot
water
of,
out
like,
the
beer
raft?
bottles,
And bucket.
and old cans. They come in like containers, and people recycle them. They'll use all the old beer bottles. Anything old is always recycled. Everything's recycled. You painted.
You guys want to float in the middle of the Atlantic for the next 3 days on a fucking garbage bag of beer bottles? Just
Hey, as long as it floats, I guess.
Bro,
it's
Cubans are
crazy. Yo,
recycled.
I'm joking, but obviously, but like
Yeah,
it's
no, that's
crazy.
exactly-
Like
No,
people
yeah, yeah,
really
exactly
do
how
that
it
shit.
Look up on YouTube all the Cuban rafts that people
Yeah,
have made,
I've-
and you're gonna be like, "What?"
Like, just go to the beach. In Miami, like in Salvi, you'll see a raft pull up once in a while.
Well, it's like the Francis Ngannou story. You ever hear listen about that? He said it about an interview or so, like talking about how he had to like go through a bunch of desert to just get free, and they caught him like once or twice, and then he became a multi-millionaire in MMA.
Yeah.
Yeah, but when you're
Crazy stuff.
in a country like that, bro, it's either leave or you die a slow death. It's
Yeah,
either
we were talking about it with like your family. You were talking like when they moved.
Yeah, but it's damn, bro. I feel so bad for all the immigrants, bro. It's such a struggle, dog. Especially with these shithole countries. Every country besides the U.S., bro. I don't know. I'm sorry for every other country out there, but this is the only country that I think gives everybody the opportunity to be something regardless of where you come from. You don't even need to learn English, bro. You don't even need to learn the language. You don't even need to get accustomed with the customs. You don't even need to do anything.
At this point, you go to
just pull up.
California, you might not even need to work.
You just exactly. You just pull up, and there's
Pull
an
up.
opportunity for you to become rich.
I'm back up here.
Dude, if you're smart enough and you're living off the government with food stamps, Section 8, you're getting all of these assistance, your kids are going to daycare for free and all this extra stuff, you're a different kind of smart. You have understood the system and you are playing the system to your favor. Even people that don't want to work can still figure it out. It's the best country in the world, bro.
America going down. No.
No, we're just gonna print more money and go back up.
Gonna tariff the shit out of you. Bougie got a new gym crush? What are we talking about?
Damn, Bougie, how many, bro? Hit one of them up. Be like, hey, have you ever heard of Forex?
Bougie, tell me they live in Mission Beach. I'll see them next July. I'll let you know.
Be like, hey, what's your PR?
What's your RR?
Or PV?
Hell yeah, Bougie. Yeah, so Mission Beach, my father-in-law has got a nice little spot on the boardwalk that he allows us to utilize a few times a year. So I'm definitely on the boardwalk during those times
That
of year.
motherfucker's throwing house parties and that shit. Don't even tell me you utilize a house on the board.
No, I definitely take advantage, full advantage.
There's like, where's the lube?
Full advantage.
Oh, none of that, but
Where you hide the lube? Bro,
we got it's
utilize.
So fun fact, like 10 years ago, Drew Brees used to own the unit behind us. So every so often, like he wouldn't come out for the festivities, obviously, but he'd say hey, and his kids would be around. It was kind of tight.
Looking like we're gonna come down
Your
here.
voice, man.
What happened?
I'm saying so cool to hear your voice, bro. I didn't picture your voice to be like that.
Good to hear you guys. Just a crazy Midwesterner.
You like his voice? Wait till you see him.
Shorty. I'm 3'12", you know, on a good day.
Purple. He's a fucking alien. Nah, he's taken, bro. ASL. Yo, get your PDF off my. Encinitas. I just know Encino, California, because that's where they made that movie about the Encino Man.
Bougie, you're not lying. There's some pretty bad women on the boardwalk.
AOL days, where that dial-up used to be crazy.
Bro, that party line, you remember them things?
It's crazy.
But I remember.
Wix or Jay, you got to remember the party line.
The what?
Calling them old, bro.
Do you remember the party line?
No.
Where like not every so you could hop on the line and low key somebody down the way could be on the same line. You could hear them like they were tapping the call.
Yeah. You be talking and then you hear somebody else's conversation on your phone. You be like, yo, what the
Yeah.
fucking mosquito just blew in my face, no? Yeah.
Yeah, the good old days.
Like, and then you figure out it's like your neighbor
video.
down the block, and you're like, holy shit.
Oh, I was too
You
young.
were on the phone.
My
Got
parents
fucking
were on the phone.
crabs. This is crazy. You hear all kind of shit. Cardiff caused by a lot of cool places in California. People blowing on the phone, not letting people just talk, just fucker. I don't know.
I remember I
Yo,
used to
what is
watch a
going on
video.
here? Sorry, go ahead.
No, you would watch a video and it would take 3 hours to buffer, so you would just have to pause it and walk away and come back later.
I remember learning how to break dance, and I needed to see a video online, and yo, it would take like an hour and a half for like a 35-second video.
And then they call and then it fucks you up.
And then it would be like this big on screen. It would be like my computer screen, and the shit would be like this. Some dudes breakdancing in there, and I'd be like, wait, what?
What got you into breakdancing? Homies or just like always something that you like?
Yeah, it was
rhythm and
just
shit?
my boys. It was everyone I hung out with in high school, and just kind of all did it.
My generation, a little bit after, got into rap battles, and everybody was just rapping. And
Yeah.
Yeah, I breakdance right now. My kids think that shit is lame.
My
What,
favorite-
rap battles or
No,
dancing?
breakdancing. They're like, yeah. all right. No, like the younger
Cool,
ones, like,
Dad.
yeah, that's cool, Dad. You could do that. Yeah, that's pretty cool. But that's it. They're like, whatever. My oldest one, like, yeah, that's not what it's about now.
What are those?
Dad, another head spin? Come on.
Oh, why are you fucking wiping the floor with your back? Yo, what's like literally what's going on here? What's up with this? Yo. I got things to see, people to do. What's going on? Get off the ground, you weirdo. Word. People around, you're embarrassing me.
You're embarrassing me.
Never again, Dad. Hey, what if we get a top wick and a break out of lows here? Celery play. Are still open, still bullish. That sucks. We never got up here. Bro, you guys notice every time I delete it, the market starts pulling back up. Delete it again.
Market makers are watching.
I'm gonna delete it again. Come on. Come on, Lee. Come on. I ain't gonna lie, if this just sticks around here like this, we'll call in like 15, 20 minutes. This is terrible. Terrible. Held resistance. Four-hour wants to come down here so bad. Yeah, I'm not going to participate in this 100 pip stop. Any kind of sell here, it has to be a break at a previous 30 low for a celery play, but it's 90 pip stop right now. Right, because it could break that low, come right back up. I don't know. I don't know why we're not driving off a level here. Like, where did we top out at? Like, off of what, right? What did this wick bounce off of? Not recent volume, like right here, this lower, right? Yes. Bottom here. Trend line, yeah, okay. I'm getting a headache. Been in front of the screen too much today. Had a migraine in the morning. What's up, Cam? How are you? Cameron. Take your meds. I took Motrin in the morning and then like kind of laid down, waited for the migraine to go away, and then we ran FOMC for like 3 hours. Solid 3 hours. All right, let's set that again. Attempt number 3 or 4 already. Need some sleep. I need to sleep. Just get my eyes away from the screen. Break-even. Well, these are break-even candles. Anyone else bullish? Not bullish. I'm more bearish. Like the level. We did not tap the 4-hour levels though. Right down here. Oh, we got close. This is kind of a fake out here. So we get a, oh, hold on a second. Celery play to come down. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on. It's a very big stop here. Very good lows. The only one that makes sense, right? Current candle. But it's 190 pips. It's highly likely it comes down, all right? It breaks that previous candle low, but a very big stop. But I will have a buy limit here. Again, another attempt. We come down. As soon as I say it, it's like, no, let me go the other way. Sell limit? No, I'm gonna go down. Buy limit? I'm gonna go back up. Ah. All right, let's try this again. I don't know if this hourly gets there. Maybe the next one does.
I'm driving Wix. How many pips is that from your sell limit?
We're about 140 pips.
Okay.
130 pips from selling. Don't know if we get a 4-hour closure before or after. Curious on the sell limit. If the strata 15 closed above the range, would you have deleted it because structure would be bullish? No. Above the previous 15 range? No. Previous 4-hour bearish. The previous daily's bearish. I'm good with this. Once the 4-hour closes bullish here in 10 minutes, depending how the next one plays out, how it forms, will determine what I do. But once we close bullish here, I would like to have some buys off this 4-hour low. The reason you can pay attention to that 15 is if you're looking for buys here, right? You close above that 15 range, then bottom wick, and you're good to go here to the top of the range. I don't disagree with it. I like that. That's a good idea. It's good idea, but levels here didn't close above. Ten minutes here. Yeah, I got a migraine. I just took a couple more Motrin, but waiting for it to kick in. I don't know how many more times I got to delete the sell limit. There's so much range from New York session that look at this. These two wick candles, nothing but wicks. Hey, nothing but wicks this session so far. Hey man, what are we doing? Buy or sell? It's my first day here. Join us tomorrow for New York session. That's where the volume was. Right now we're waiting. We had a sell limit, we had a buy limit here at some point, but the market's just ranged. Jeez. Done. The 4 hours going to close bullish. I truly believe there's going to be some reaction here to support. I just got a massive migraine. We're about 200 pips down. I mean, 200 pips away from it. Call this here in a few minutes. I want to see how we open. I'll look to see how we open up. Maybe we get a nice push. I know, out of nowhere. Thought again like a cold sweat for a second. I went to my face. You know, I delete this. But it's kind of cool that it's finishing off with bearish momentum right here for now. This top wick on the hourly. Maybe the hourly gives no bottom wick. We open up with a bottom wick on the next hour. That would all make sense. Okay, let's hang out for a few minutes. Oh, this will go 10 points up? Yeah, now that I deleted the sell limit. Uh, 2 minutes. Almost. This is our session so far. Let's tap resistance and chill there. Trump speaking in 5 minutes with China's president. Yeah, I'm watching. Trump and Xi arrive. They're only arriving. They're not speaking in 5 minutes. They say 5 minutes, but they're always like, you know, casually late, 20 to 40 minutes. We've timed it before. Did it before. It's all theater. All right, we're closing here in 5 seconds. Maybe one more top wick and this will finally come down here. Hold in this area to the left. Four-hour closed bullish. We just need a quick 150 pip drop. You get it? Feels like church while watching stream. Cool. That's cool. Careful here if you, I don't know if you guys are in cells, but be careful here because this is just, you know, the bottom wick for the 4-hour. Like it could reject without ever getting to our level. That's all I'm trying to say. This is good. This is good. You have to take sells on the break of the lows there, right? Never have a top wick. Understanding the 4 hours making a bottom wick. Okay, about 100 pips away now. Started out 200 pips away. It's a quick 100 pips. Okay, lock in. Good luck to everyone that's joining me on this venture. Really? You ain't it, level. You ain't it. 49 flat. Don't do it now. Don't do it now. That was so close. We don't want a bullish flip here. Don't want it. Stops? No, stops would have been right here. 75 pips, 70 pips, 72. $39.46. .4. Yeah, if it starts getting there, I would wait for yeah. What is that, off of 5? Yeah, I see what you had. The 15 is probably a better level, but I like the 1530 and the hourly. This is a level on every time frame, right? From 4 to like it's a level on every time frame. Come on, it's not a lot to go here. All right, gang, lock in. I think we'll get here finally. Can we get a quick bounce? Can we get this bounce? Can we get this bounce? Can we get this bounce? Oh, give me a second, chat. It's coming. It's coming. All right, gang. May the forces of evil become confused on the way to your house. See what happens. All right, we are activated here. Adjust. Let's adjust this limit. Sell here, 47.7 and 5. Can tap it. In 80. Don't give me too much. Don't give me too much selling pressure. Yeah, I think here. What is it? 34.4. All right, give us a reaction. This is a 4-hour level. What do I bring? 5. Maybe off the 5 levels will it react? Yeah, I might keep it here. I'm fine with losing. I'm fine with the 2,300 pip risk here. 31.8. 30. Well, we close respecting on the 5. Can we flip now? We know flip. Flippity pippity. Flippity pippity. We get a 4-hour top wick. Can we get a 4-hour top wick? Come on. Need a 4-hour top wick. Get a 47.30. Market sell one right there. Let's move this over. Let's move stops to break even. Amazing. Amazing. There we go. Partials secured on the live account. Stops to break even around 30 pips. And let's leave a runner. Let's see if we can flip here on the 4-hour. Let's see if we can flip here on the 4-hour. We're about 55 pips in profit here. Here a little bit more on my live at around 50. Come on, push up a little bit more. We want a 4-hour flip. We don't want to retest the lows. You know, I'm gonna let's see if we can get 100 here on this one. I've secured here 885. I can't secure anymore. Anything I would is a full closure. I want just like a heavy push without retesting the lows. All right, 62, 66. Let's go 64 pips right there. I just secured full on this one. The runner is still going on the live account. Live account, the signals, they're still in the game. I'm looking to catch a little more. Signals, I have 20% left running, 45 pips in profit. I'm not going to trail it. It's just going to be it's only 20%, so it's either going to be break even or this 4 hours going to flip, and I'm going to secure it to flip. Which is how many pips? The flip is roughly 160 pips. So the TP right now, this is what we look like in the signal channel. TP is right here. Probably I'm going to put it to like 150 pips. And stops are to break even. This is house money. And my goal right now is to really just flip on the 4 hour, even if it doesn't drive. Look at the 4 hour. So, I mean, as long as we survive, as long as it doesn't push back down here, right? We're about 41 pips in profit, but it's moving fast. We might end up retesting lows before coming back up, but like that's the risk we got to take. I'm going to secure probably another 10% once we get over 60 pips and leave 10% running for that flip. Yeah, killed it today. Absolutely killed it today. I got a migraine that's going away now. Come on. Yeah. Going back down. This entry somewhere up here, by the way. This is what we look like right now. We're so close. Oh no, it's gonna get tapped. It was a pip away. It was 1 pip away. Now we're 13 pips away. It's good. Probably gonna get tapped. 20 pips. 21. Do I secure just an extra 20 pips? No. That's nothing. Come back up. Come back up. Bottom out. I was 1 pip away. 1 pip away from stops. 44.5 is entry. For some reason on the live account, it slipped it. This is where entry ended up being on the live account. It got slipped. I was wondering, why is it so off? All right, back to 40 pips in profit. 45. Tiptoed there on the signals. Come on, push up. Get us to 60. I'll secure another 10%. I don't know why the entry is so much worse. A good 10, 11 pips. It's moving so fast, right? 82, 49. Damn, mosquito flying around. Yeah, we got a runner here. We got a runner. I want the 4 hour to flip here. It might take a lot. It might take like a few candles, right? And a bottom wick on the next candle here. Oh, we already got one. I'm sorry. Look how close we were. 15 gave that bottom wick. Man, oh man, oh man. Come up. That's amazing. Look, our break even is below this wick. So our stop right now at break even is the most logical stop you can have. That is so sick. So sick. Yeah, I still have a 2 lot running at 55 pips in profit. That was scary when we blasted through because of the bearish momentum, but what can we say? We've done it again. Yes, we've done it again. That is true. We've done it over and over and over. Definitely redeemed FOMC today. I felt bad. I felt so bad after FOMC because I came in there knowing I'm gonna get a dub. Just so confident, so sure FOMC is giving us dubs because I missed New York session, right? And I was so sure. And when we sat there for like 2 or 3 hours, right? And like we took a loss and it just got like quiet and everyone was like, man, I stuck around for FOMC, showed up 2 p.m. just to take a fucking loss. And like, I've been forgiven. I've been redeemed. I just felt like I needed to redeem myself. Felt like I owe you guys one, right? Remember, did you guys hear my Instagram story earlier today? I was like, show up for Asian session because I fucking owe you guys. I know. We're 40 pips here, but yeah, we're running about 40 pips in profit. I really want to come up again. I'm not securing anything. Got 20% running. Not securing anything anymore. Waiting on this. But that's a W. So far, 46 pips. Or no, how much was that? How much did we secure on here? Actually, it doesn't matter. Signal channels is 46.
Yo, congrats, Wix. Guys, drop a like if you took this trade with us, man. This was a fire trade. This was money and it's still going. Drop a like, sub to the channel, show some love. Nice job, Wix.
W. Yeah, we're at around 40 pips in profit right now on the live, in the signals. I want this to play out already so I can call it. I can close it. You know what we can do for now? You know what we can do for now. Okay. If you can, spam some dubs. Yo, guys, spam some dubs. I wasn't recording. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yo, you're
Oh.
completely frozen on YouTube.
What do you mean frozen?
I mean, it just shows you frozen videotaping with the phone. I don't see.
Oh my god. This is the second time it's done that today.
Yeah, I'm just wondering if it's me because.
No, it's not you. It's the OBS. It's just frozen. It's the second time. Hold on. Let me see what I can do. Okay, there you go. Hey, it's gotten close to our stops, but it's coming back up again. Oh, and that took us out. Wow, right there. Yeah, that took out the live. All right, so awesome. 46 pips here, right? Or I think we caught more on the funded, but I'm gonna mark off 46 because I'm not gonna count right now. So let's do that. Win number 557. Plus 46. Let us enjoy this moment here. Appreciate you guys spamming the dubs. Big W, 557. Very nice. Very nice. Might have to trade a different account tomorrow. It's getting close to payout again. Amazing. So what do you guys want to do now? I gotta go see if my kids are already in bed, and if not, I'm gonna go put them in bed. If they are, I'm gonna just dwell on the fact that I missed out putting them to bed to make some money here. All right. Chat, that's it. Let's call it a session here. I appreciate everyone showing up. Congrats to everybody that caught the dubs with us. I still believe this 4 hour will flip at some point in time, but unfortunately it took our runner out. Some days it will, some days it won't, and you get that big runner. But our entire position was pretty good today. Enjoy being a dad. Thank you. All right, Zoom gang, see you on the clubhouse side of things. Mods, thank you for helping me run the stream. As always, I love doing these. I love doing these pop-up agent sessions. Thank you, Jay. Appreciate you as well. Drop a like, sub to the channel. Go get your top 1 futures accounts while the discount is still there. Trust me, you're gonna be biting your elbows when the 55% off disappears. All right, so go get your accounts now and show up tomorrow to do the same thing we've been doing every single day. Same thing we just did. Show up and win. See you guys tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. sharp. Chat, love and wisdom to you all. As for me, my time here is up. And just like that, another New York session. I'm sorry. Wow, killed that one. Another Asian session in the. Have a good night, everybody. Enjoy your evening. Get some rest.